we got this wireless doorbell for our bardominium here. This thing's waterproof. You're gonna get 2 of these sending units here, which is the button you press on the outside of the building, and then they'll go 1,400 feet. So there's one way over there. I'll go ahead and push the button. You see that flash and you hear that noise and it's ringing the bell, and it works just like a champ here. And the receivers inside the house that make the chime noise, they're outlets. So they've got 2 plugs here that just fit into your existing outlet like this. And so they don't take up the use of the outlet. So you just plug this straight in and you got pass-through outlets here, but you've got the receiver that's gonna receive those button presses and also act as a nightlight. Push that into place and you can see the nightlight down the bottom. It's got a light sensor here that you can adjust, and then you've got an ability to change the chimes and make the sound louder or quieter, and then you can just plug your existing plugs right into the outlet. So works pretty great. Hey, I hope that helped to learn a little bit more about this wireless doorbell system. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.